In the world of electric toothbrushes, Philips Sonicare has long been a trusted name. With their innovative technology and commitment to oral health, Philips Sonicare offers a range of models to suit every need. Two popular options in their lineup are the Philips Sonicare 4100 and the Philips Sonicare 4300. In this video, we will compare these two models to help you decide which one is the right choice for you. The Philips Sonicare 4100 is a basic model that offers the essential features for an effective clean. It features a pressure sensor that alerts you if you are brushing too hard, helping to prevent damage to your teeth and gums. The 4100 also has a 2-minute timer with quadpacer that ensures you are brushing for the recommended amount of time and evenly across all areas of your mouth. One of the standout features of the Philips Sonicare 4100 is its sonic technology, which produces up to 62,000 brush movements per minute. This high-speed action helps to remove plaque and bacteria from your teeth and gums, leaving your mouth feeling fresh and clean. The 4100 also comes with a diamond clean brush head that has densely packed bristles for a thorough clean. In comparison, the Philips Sonicare 4300 offers a few additional features that make it a step up from the 4100. One of the key differences is the inclusion of a brush sync mode that automatically selects the optimal cleaning mode for you based on the brush head you attach. This ensures that you are getting the best possible clean for your specific needs. The Sonicare 4300 also has a more advanced pressure sensor that not only alerts you if you are brushing too hard but also adjusts the intensity of the brush to protect your teeth and gums. This feature is especially useful for those with sensitive teeth or gums who may need a gentler clean. Another upgrade with the 4300 is the inclusion of a travel case that allows you to easily take your electric toothbrush with you on the go. This is a convenient feature for those who travel frequently or want to maintain their oral hygiene routine while away from home. In terms of design, both the Sonicare 4100 and 4300 have a sleek and modern look that will complement any bathroom decor. They are both lightweight and easy to hold, making them comfortable to use for extended periods of time. The 4100 comes in a choice of colors, including white, black, and pink, while the 4300 is available in black and white options. When it comes to battery life, both models offer impressive performance. The Sonicare 4100 has a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 2 weeks on a single charge, while the 4300 can go up to 3 weeks before needing to be recharged. This makes them both ideal for travel or for those who may forget to charge their toothbrush regularly. In terms of price, the Philips Sonicare 4100 is typically more affordable than the 4300, making it a great option for those on a budget. However, the additional features and upgrades of the 4300 may make it worth the extra cost for some users. Overall, both the Philips Sonicare 4100 and 4300 are excellent electric toothbrush options that offer a superior clean compared to manual brushing. The 4100 is a solid choice for those looking for a basic model with essential features, while the 4300 is a step up with additional features that enhance the overall brushing experience. Ultimately, the right choice between the Sonicare 4100 and 4300 will depend on your individual needs and budget. Both models are backed by Philips Sonicare's reputation for quality and innovation, so you can trust that you are getting a reliable product that will help you maintain excellent oral health. Whichever model you choose, you can rest assured that you are investing in a top-of-the-line electric toothbrush that will keep your smile bright and healthy for years to come.